Review Journal Potential for Utilizing Biogas from Organic Waste as a Renewable Energy Source by Barohriska Fitriana, number student 190. Journal article Potential for Utilizing Biogas from Organic Waste as a Renewable Energy. Writer Aulia Wulansari Agustin, Sudarti Yusardi. Name Journal Literasi Science. Yes, 220 language. Breakdown of the problem. Waste is unsaid waste material that comes from human or natural activities that have no economic value. Waste based on at base of its material has various from namely solid, liquid, and gas. Based on it, natural waste is grouped into natural organic waste, degradable, and inorganic waste, unreadable. Organic waste degradable is a type of waste that comes from living organisms such as human animals and placed and has properties that are very add to the process. For example, dry leaves, paper, wood, and so on. Meanwhile, inorganic waste, unreadable, is a type of waste that comes from objects that are difficult to decompose, such as plastic, rubber, glass, and so on. Waste generable by human or natural activities will continue to increase in line with the increasing number of settlements in our more people consume good, and to more compression are established, and that more waste volume will be production according to that Ministry of Environment and Forever and the Ministry of Industry. Indonesia product waste cumulative of million ton per year. It is likely that amount of waste accumulation will avail us in such per year. 2015 stated that in Indonesia waste management excluded 175 tons of waste per day. Waste management product just carrying out include 69% of waste being transported and buried and at the final disposal stage. TPA 10% of waste being buried, 7% of waste being compressed and recycled, 5% of waste being burned, and training 7% not being management properly. If waste is not management properly, it can cause a source of seas a source of pollution that will produce lasting living and has the potential to pollute the groundwater, and gas containing methane has the potential to pollute the air that will as a contributing factor to global warming and cause an ungreeable odor. On that other hand, allowing with population and economic growth, energy with continue to increase colony, many people still or also fossil plus fossil to provide energy need in the world, and other along with the development of the technology to support the solving and also of fossil fuels. Over time, the amount of fossil fuels referenced is decreasing. This requires attention to switching energy sourcing using renewable energy source. An example of energy source in consumption is biogas, energy which is produced that organic waste. The manufacturing process is carried out using so from toll compatibility concept. This degrader biogas is a mixture of various types of gases such as methane, carbon dioxide, and CO2, and a small amount of water vapor H2O, hydrogen sulfide H2S, and hydrogen H2. This biogas and is a gas that is easy to compression oxidation oxidate from the fermentation of organic material considered out by anaerobic bacteria. With that main compressed, this process is methane gas. This was one of the most serious problems in various parts of the world, including Indonesia. Its life in Greenland overall 80% of all waste production is organic waste, which is only considered as waste that has on economic value. Organic waste from household waste is on type or waste that contribution to environmental pollution as 60% of household waste contain organic waste. Research methodology. This research was conducted using a literature study method are also known as a library studies that literature study tracing is a type of research consisted by reviewing various literature students needed for research purposes in editing according to crucial literature study is a connection of wisdom summaries that including article, journal, books, and author document that aim to define theories and proving information about the past and present where the information or obtained is orally based on relevant topics and documents. This research method is compounded out by connection data from real-world students that are relevant to the research topic that will be discussed in this article. The purpose of connecting the data is to privilege information that is relevant to several studies based on existing literature. The data source obstating for this study used reference of a scientific article on our research on biogas renewable energy organic waste utilizations of organic waste. There are also factors supporting sources as book and the internet steps used to obtain this data, including connecting, summarizing, and recording research resultant review or the consultant from various libraries on the 10. The data obtained in it is analyzed using a description analysis method that including describing fact and the analysis to not only explain but also provided adequate answering and explanation. Resolution and discussion. This definition of biogas. Biogas is a gas production by organic material through anaerobic activity or fermentations. This is organic material including food waste or vegetable and fruit waste from the market, human and animal waste, agricultural waste, and so on. The main compressor of biogas connector of methane CH which range from 20 to 40% and carbon dioxide gas CO2 which range from 3 to 50% in addition biogas compounds of hydrogen sulfur HS as compared as 0 to 3% water, H2O as 0.03%, oxygen O2 as much as 0.1 to 0.5%, hydrogen as much as 1 to 100%, and a small amount of other gases. However, biogas company very combination of methane CH4 in biogas determines the amount of energy component in it. Is the methane CH4 content is greater, the heat energy container or calorific value will be greater. On the other hand, is the methane container is smaller, that energy content of or calorific value will be smaller. Processing organic waste into biogas. Organic waste can be used as biogas producer through anaerobic activities or fermentation of organic material. This organic waste has a lot of organic content that is easy to document, moist and contains little liquid, making it suitable for use as biogas. Therefore, this organic waste decompose faster, expality at room temperature. The following are the component and composite of organic waste, namely hydrolysis tank. At this tank, bacteria with cut long chains of complex carbohydrates, compressing of lipids, and compression into such clean components. For example, protein can be converted into proportion and amino acid while polysaccharide can be converted into monoacidogenesis and acetogenesis stronger as acidification stronger. During this stronger, the short-term completion compared for the hydrolysis process will be connected into acid, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide, and carrying out by bacterial known as Octobacterial acetobacteria, which are anaerobic bacteria that can develop in excited environment. Bacteria needed to produce acetic acid abounded from oxygen and carbon dioxide to dissolved oxygen. The next process be microorganism that produce methane gas and require creation of acid in anaerobic conditions. For the bacterial can connect such an climb compounded into carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, organic acid, alcohol, amino acid, and a small amount of methane gas at his tangle of methane gas formation. Methanogenesis at its stronger used anaerobic contribution, the compression produced from the educational process are compressed into methane and CO2 through bacteria known as methanobacterial bacteria. This process is including in the exothermic reaction. The biogas formation process requires a special tool, namely a gas condenser or biogas reactor in general. The gases have a tube space that is used as place for the anaerobic fermentation process to occur based on the filling the methanol. These cancers are divided into the types, namely batch feeding, single filling, and continuous filling. The main tools used from digester are digester tubes that funnel as biogas waste strong from connection pipes, valves, and gas identification tools. The biogas system works by inserting organic material into the digester tube. These acts are the compressed digester, allowing anaerobic bacteria to decompress the organic material in it and will producing gas to flow the biogas from the digester trigger a distribution for connecting people to the gas stronger tuber or it following this to the place of also shows a virtue. The material used for the biogas formation process are organic material that must contain daily matter ranging for 7 to 9%. These material are mixed with water to dilute them in a ratio of around 1:3 in general. To produce good biogas production, high temperature are required. However, the temperature not exceeding room temperature. In a good biogas formation process, a temperature range of 200 to 400 is used, and the optimal temperature is based on is 300. Buffer making biogas is important to estimation and conserve the amount of biogas to be produced. This biogas can be used effectively and can reduce the cost of producing and maintaining equipment. Potential for utilizing biogas as renewable energy. As steam gas be energy referral with in refreshing room, low so somatic are needed to produce renewable energy. An example is biogas energy producer from organic waste, which is a simple of renewable energy source. Biogas production from organic waste has the potential to be a source of renewable energy. This biogas has the potential to be used as a substitute for cooking fuel that can be used by the surrounding community for suffer or of the choking real people is biogas is processed on a large scale or that the industrial level is can be used as energy for generating electricity. The use or biogas from organic waste, from hot waste, market waste, or other food ingredient can overcome the problem of the energy supply crisis, which will run out every day. The final result of starting from biogas is gas concentrating of methane, CH4, and carbon dioxide and CO2 is used from sulfur, which can speed up the cooking process. Biogas with high methanol content CH4 and its calorific value has the advantage of being able to replicate the relevance of LPG and methanol gasoline. The methane contain CH in this biogas can produce more environmentally friendly combustion result. In addition, another advantage of biogas is that it will not produce combustion smoke and can be used as a substitute for fuel, oil, or natural gas production through an anaerobic pollution process. Not only that, waste from the production of biogas is not only thrown away because it can be used to make fertilizer, The benefit of implementing this biogas can be felt by the community farmers and livestock product. Income improve the some as that Samrow et al. Said in their research. In addition, biogas can also be used to drive electric generators. Meanwhile, adding to Komandang yet, all the utilizing of biogas from organic waste has many benefits. The benefit or the unit can come from various fields. For example, in the actual sector, which is utilized to support farmers to increasing productivity and is come profit on obtaining cultivating organic plant. That is because the remaining waste from biogas processing can be further processed into organic fertilizers, which will help farmers reduce the cost of chemical fertilizer. Biogas can also be utilized in the energy sector, including being used as a reserve for lighting motor fuel and power generation. Also utilized in the environmental sector, which has dual benefit. For example, helping to suffer with growth and reducing the use of herbicide can also be used to reduce emission that cause unpleasant odor and utilize the flow of waste energy that can be used as fuel. Killing of utilizing biogas as renewable energy. Utilization reduction of biogas from organic waste has many colleagues to develop in as a renewable energy source in fast. Indonesia has great potential and opportunities to convert biogas into a new renewable energy at EBT source. The challenge experience include lack of adequate infrastructure, ammoning of inappropriate policies that will hinder the success of inflation. In addition, the lack of government policies to promise renewable energy sources in the community, lack of community skill in inflexible consume and culture, and lack of sensitivities to development relevant research are also congress to developing biogas into a renewable energy source. Addiction to the low price of subsidies LPG is also a calling to developing biogas as a renewable energy source. Conclusion based on the discussion of the result and discussion in this study, it can be considered that this utilization of organic waste processed into biogas can be a very relevant problem in effort to overcome the out of energy supply energy that will be increasingly developed of environmental problem with the vast population. The utilizing of organic waste that is processed into biogas consists of several stronger is in the manufacturing process, namely hydrolysis, education, and the strong of methane gas formation is requisition talk now as a disgasser or biogas. Biogas reactor. Biogas is a gas produced by organic material through anaerobic anility or phenomenal. The processing of organic waste into biogas has many benefits. Should associated for cooking, fuel, electricity, general energy, as subscribe to for ethanol, gasoline, and electron generation driver. In addition, the processing of organic waste into biogas is also used in various feed for example, in the agricultural sector, which is used to interaction productivity in cultivating organic plant to grow waste from the remaining rows of the biogas manufacturing process. In the energy sector, biogas is used as a reduction for lighting, motor fuel, and electric generation. In addition, biogas is also used in the environmental sector, help support growth and reduce the use of herbicides. The use of organic waste as biogas can reduce or developer dependence on fossil fuels, which are increasingly depleting and have a negative impact on the environment. In addition, the use of organic waste into biogas also offers the problem of organic waste management. Therefore, it is hoped that in the future future there will future development regarding the utilization of biogas using other material that can be used renewable energy shock cars. Excess renewable energy source biogas production from organic waste is renewable energy because organic waste is continuously available and can be utilized sustainable without developing limited natural reaction. Greenhouse gas emission reduction. The biogas product process can reduce the CH4 emission product from the decomposition of organic waste in leaving methane is greenhouse gas that is very harmful to the climate. So is also for energy can be reduction. The improvement of global warming, reduction development on fossil fuels. Biogas can be used to replace fossil fuels, such as natural gas or coal, which are more reporting to the environment. Help reduction development on non-renewable and polluting energy sources. Management organic waste efficiently. By converting organic waste into biogas, the problem of waste management can be solved in a more efficient way. Waste that utility process pollutes the environment can be caused into useful energy within through reduction the volume of waste in landfills. Improving economy welfare. The use of biogas as an energy source can create economic opportunities both in the form of new jobs, for example, in the waste processing and biogas production sector, and new business opportunities, such as the provision of cheaper and more environmentally friendly local energy. Produce valuable byproduct. In addition to energy, the anaerobic process of producing biogas also process byproduct in the form of natural rich organic fertilizer. The fertilizer can be used for agricultural improving soil quality and supporting agricultural sustainability, improving local energy security. Housing biogas from organic waste. Regular of communities can reduce development on external energy supplement and ensures local energy, which is a special benefit in rural of remote areas. Stability potential. Biogas energy technology can be advanced from houses such to larger industrial scale. This provides flexibility in emission reduction to existing net and company. Limited waste roster. The inability of such organic waste to produce biogas can be a problem, especially in areas that do not have a sustainable supply of organic waste. This hampers the inability to produce large amounts of biogas. Complex processing process, the process of producing biogas through anaerobic digestion, fermentation without energy requires quite shop his conscious uh, equipment and technology as well as correlate management in addition. This process also takes sequence a long time to produce an optimal biogas, contamination and waste quality organic waste used to produce biogas is often combined with non-organic materials such as plastic or metal, which can damage the biogas system and reducing its efficiency. Greenhouse gas emission. Although biogas is consumption renewable energy, the process of processing organic waste and uncontrolled methane discharge can produce greenhouse gas emission, which have a negative impact on the environment. In fact, to retail costs. Building a biogas plant requires a significant upfront investment, including waste collection system, biogas and gas purification system. This can be a barrier in developing control of area which limited food gas. Manage and operation. Biogas system requires regular maintenance and close supervision to operate the efficiently. With proper management, biogas product can be hampered or even fail to operate optimal. Maintenance and operation biogas system regular maintenance and close supervision to operation efficiency without proper management. A biogas product can be hampered or fail to operate optimally. Social and education issue, lack of public understanding of the benefit of biogas and how to properly management organic waste can lead to low community participants in supporting the program of processing organic waste into biogas. That's all from me. Thank you.